Surface area of a cone, use the following formula and then add the area of the circle. What is the base of this object, Cameron? What's on the bottom of it?
Circle.
A circle. Do we know how to find the area of a circle? And what is it? Radius what? Kelly? Radius squared, right? So the area of the circle is pi radius squared. What do we use in this class for pi? You better never forget that, being I let you eat pi on 3.14. All right. So area of this part of the cone, the triangle part, is L. And what does L stand for, Evan? What kind of height? Slant height, which means this part right here. And then it's pi radius. Okay, so to find the area of this little triangle looking thing is slant height pi r. Then we add to it the area of our circle, which is, as Cameron said, pi r squared. So if we know our diameter is 14 feet, and we're going to call our slant height 39 feet, we're going to find the area. What's the very first thing we can do? What do we all know how to do very simply because we've done it a million times? Max.
Divide the 14 by 0.5.
Divide the 14 in half, right? What is half of 14?
7.
7. And why do we need to know that, Evan? Why did Max divide 14 in half? What does he need? Instead of diameter, he needs what? Katie? He needs the r, the radius, and we know that radius is half of the diameter, right? Do you remember that, Evan? So we need this part, not the whole thing. So r equals 7. And we know that L equals 39. So the first equation is length or slant height times pi times radius. So 39 times 3.14 times 7, and we get 857.22. And how should I label that? What, Katie?
Squared.
What squared? Feet squared. That is the area of what, Cameron?
That's the area
Of the base? Or of this, right? Of the little triangle-y part. That's this area. Yeah? We call that the lateral face. The side that's facing us. So then we can find the area of the base. 3.14 times, as Cameron said, radius squared. And we get 153.86. Just like before, we take our two areas and we add them together. So in this one, we take 857.22 plus 153.86, and we get 1,011.08 feet squared. Does that make sense, everyone? So this is an equation that I would suggest I would write on my note card so I have it for my test. Yeah? Mm-hmm. Good call, Mrs. Miller. Thanks, I know. All right, let's do one on our own then. Step 1, find the area of the circle. When you know the area of the circle, put your hand in the air. the equation we're going to use, Kayla? Pi times what? Pi times radius squared. So what is our radius, Dustin? What? Our radius is what? 2. 2 squared is what, Sam? 4. And 4 times 3.14 is, Connie? 12.56. And how do we label it, Neosha? Meters squared. So that's step 1. Everyone get step 1 done? Who did not get step 1 correct? What'd you do wrong, Evan? What? You didn't even try? So I can't really help you when you don't try. Step 2 is to find the lateral sides area. That's that triangle part. When you know it, raise your hand. Okay, so my first question then is going to be, what is the equation that we use? Anybody? Besides Kayla, who's getting it, I can tell. KDB, what is the equation?
Radius times the curly height.
The slant height, right? So what is our slant height? Neosha. What's the L, the slant height? 2.83. And we multiply that by pi, which is what, Kelly? And then we multiply that by what, Connie? Radius. What is our radius, Max? 2. So can anyone tell me what 2 times 2.83 times 3.14 is?
17.7725.
With what, KDB? How do we label it? Meters squared. So now we have the area of our circle, yes? And we have the area of our lateral side, yes? What do we do? What's step 3? Garrett. Add the 2 together. So you simply will take 12.56, 17.7724, add them together, and you should come up with 30.3324 meters squared. Times 2 radius, not diameter.
Yeah, but isn't it?
No, it's not.
Squared?
Nope, it's just R.
Just R.
Yep.
Okay, that was the part.
Questions on the cone?